What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. And today we are installing a vented grill. It's kind of like a Type R grill. We're going to install it on my new bumper that I picked up for the 10 gen since the 10 gen had damage. So I picked up this bumper used and I picked it up at night. So unfortunately this has a bit of damage too that I wasn't aware of. And I trusted the person buying it. I was buying from because it was a friend of a friend. But unfortunately some people do that too and it's a hard lesson learned. I should have inspected it a lot better, but it is what it is. But I'm going to show you the bumper that we picked up and I'm going to show you the grill as well. The grill is from eBay. The grill comes painted already. So now what I think I have to do is I have to basically send this bumper out to paint and patch up because it does not look good and I'm not happy with it whatsoever. And as you can see by my facial expressions, I'm a little upset. Before we jump into this, I just want to say thank you once again to 780 Apparel for hooking me up with the sweater. I like it. What can I say? It pops. It looks good. It's comfortable. It's a nice sweater to work in. So if you want to grab yours, remember you get a discount code. It's Chris Lowpes and it's at 780crew.com. Go check it out. What is really cool about this is they're trying to match streetwear with environmental needs. So per order, they've actually planted a tree. So it's really cool. Check their website down below. They got some cool merch. Get that drip. Yeah. So here is the grill. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have this and some of you have seen it. And it's really cool. It comes like basically painted already, looks really good. And we're gonna get new emblems. I'm actually gonna go with silver emblems this time. And we're gonna take out the red Type R badges. I think it's just gonna look a little cleaner with the new setup we're going this year. But yeah, I'm super excited to install this. Comes with the little eyebrow pieces as well. It's just over there. And we're gonna install this on the new bumper that's going onto the car afterwards. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'll install this and I can send everything out for paint so it just matches all perfectly. Let me show you guys the bumper. Here is the new bumper. I actually picked it up because it was already painted black. It looked in like half decent condition, but the closer I got into inspecting it, the worse it got. So I knew the grill was broken. He was straight up about that, which is pretty cool. And I was okay with that because I already bought the grill I just showed you guys previously to put on the bumper that I have now. So our plans for this is we're going to install the grill today. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you have to remove the bumper, and I do have a couple videos of me removing the bumper, so I'll tag the best one I have down below so you guys can check that out. And yeah, we're going to replace this grill. So you guys can see this dent right here, which was super hard to see at night, and you know, at the end of the day it's my fault. I should learn to trust people less, I guess, but it is what it is. This shitty touch-up job right here, as you guys can see. And the bumper was like dusty, dirty, so it's really hard to tell at night. I just cleaned it up now, just a bit, and as you can see, it's kind of shitty. But whatever, it is what it is, life happens, and yeah. So we are going to remove the grill that's on the bumper right now, and as you can see, just held in by screws. And I'll show you guys exactly how to do it, and we're gonna install it. It's gonna look really good, and soon enough we'll install this new bumper on my car. And some plans for this bumper is we're gonna cut this mesh out here in the middle, and then we're gonna get new fog lights and do the bumper garnish upgrades. So I'm pretty excited about that. So we got some good news too. So we got the stickers made. I'm super excited about these. These are like the crests I kind of went with. The best thing to do is follow me on Instagram. I'll take it right here. And then you guys can see what is up with these guys. I have 3 different types of stickers that I'm selling. I don't have the prices yet. Should be around $5 ship, possibly. I got to get some prices and do some stuff like that. It's my first time actually shipping a whole bunch of things out. So I'm just trying to figure things out as we go. I'm still working on the 10K giveaway. A little more difficult than it seems, but I'm trying to get some stuff done. And we're actually gonna put these on the cars today as well, and you guys can see how they look. I have one cartoon version of the 10 gen and I have a cartoon version of the 8 gen. The 8 gen is limited time. Whatever I have, I'm not making any more after that. So if you guys want to pay homage or however you say it to the 8 gen, you got to do that and purchase it. If you guys are interested in these, check them out on Instagram, and hopefully one day I'll have a website up soon so you can buy all these little things. Super excited to get into like this type of stuff too. And if you guys want to support your boy, pick up a sticker, and make sure if you do pick up a sticker and put it somewhere, take a picture and tag me, and I'll shout you guys out. Thank you so much. I'm excited about these. So let's get into installing the grill. As you can see, I'm gonna start taking off all these screws here that looks like is holding in the grill. And then I'm gonna try keeping this emblem and cleaning it up and see how it looks. But yeah, looks pretty simple, looks pretty easy. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is how the grill looks afterwards. or what's left of the grill anyway, and it's completely gone. And now we're gonna install our new one, and it's gonna look a lot better. And I'm excited to actually get this all on the car. It won't be in today's episode, but I just want to show you guys how to do this and how easy actually it is. Here is the new one. There is the old one. So I'm going to use the existing screws that came with it, and I'm pretty sure when you take off the OEM grill, you'll have these screws as well. But the box did not come with any. Remember, I'll link this grill down below if you're interested in getting it. So far, I'm really real impressed with it. You know, the paint and everything on it looks pretty good. And yeah, let's get into installing it. So I have screwed everything on and everything looks good. The only issue I'm having right now is the fitment here, but I believe once I have this bolted onto the car, this will clip in properly. As you can see, it's kind of stretching out. So worst case, if this is having fitment issues here, if it focuses in for you guys, if that's having fitment issues, I'll loosen the screws here and then put this in, hold it somehow, and then screw it back in. But what do you guys think? It looks pretty good. I'm actually really impressed with it. Aside from the fitment at the top, everything else fits really, really good. Time to put the sticker on the tension. At least this one anyway. So what's cool about this actually fits really well right in here. And it's a full sticker, so it's not going to, you know, it's not gonna come off easily or whatnot. So I'm gonna place this here. I do wanna put one on the EP3, I just don't know where I wanna put it yet. And that'll be afterwards. This is pretty much done. We'll get an update once the bumper actually gets onto the car, and then I can 100% let you know about this gap here. If you guys have bought this grill, let me know if you guys do have that gap too, because that will absolutely annoy the hell out of me if that's the case. So yeah, but regardless, it looks really good. It's vented. Like I said, we're gonna have that cut out, and then we're gonna have the APPAREL intercooler showing. We have the bumper garnishes, new fog lights, and new side markers. These are the actual other pieces, the eyebrow pieces that come with the grill. So as you can see, we're not installing them today because we're not installing this on the car today. I just want to show you guys how to install it on the actual bumper itself. And as you can see, it's super, super simple. I think what's going to be the most time consuming really is just taking the bumper off and on. So this would have been a whole thing, and I would have painted it. I would have put this on the car if I didn't see the damage, so unfortunately now I may have to go paint it and do all that, but we're going to paint it with the grill on so it's actually all the same color. Stay tuned because we're going to trim the mesh where the intercooler goes, and I'll let you know if it's flimsy or not, because that's my worry. But I see a few people doing it, and I've talked to people doing it, and they say it's absolutely fine until you hit really high speeds, and then you'll see some, you know, a little bit of flimsiness and whatnot, but maybe we can figure out a way to keep it stable. So that's another cool idea I want to have. The front end's going to get a whole revamp this year, and then even the engine bay is, and we're going to have brake setup. So the tension's going to look really, really good, and we actually might powder coat the wheels. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. Tension's coming along, and hopefully one day we'll have an upgraded turbo coming. I just want to see if I can work with a few companies and maybe we can get something cool into it. I'll link the grill down below. Once again, if you're looking at getting some stickers, like I said, I'll have this guy here, which is on the shirt as a sticker form. I have this and I have the tension. I'll post how they look right here. And if you guys do want to grab those, make sure to check out my Instagram page. And from there, I'll be selling. You might have to DM me. I'm trying to set up a website, but I don't have that much merch or anything. So it's kind of a back and forth thing. This may be just like one of those DM things. You DM me and I'll send it out to you. I'll get your info and whatnot. If you're local, maybe we can meet up at some meets and stuff like that, and I can give that out as well. I'm super happy. I finally got some stickers. I know I've been saying for the longest time, but I finally got it done and I'm happy with them, which is really cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something small. We upgraded the grill. We're going to get some more circulation, and hopefully the engine temps and everything do drop by doing this. A few of you are mentioning that the side pieces that we installed recently is going to increase engine temps. I can see it holding a bit of heat, but not that much. But with this, we're actually compensating, allowing a lot more airflow within it. Before we finish off, I want to say thank you so much to 780 Crew for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out some of the merch, down below we have it. Discount code is Chris Lowpes, and you get 10% off your order. And I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen how it looks. I couldn't wear it today. It's pretty warm out. I was going to sweat like crazy. Actually did an oil change on tension, so I'm kind of all dirty if you know so. don't look the cleanest, but when you work on cars, whenever you, right? So awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Outro's always super long. I always have to say so much things to you guys. I don't know why, but if you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Remember, do it once, do it right. Peace out. Later.